Hi, this is Nitya Priya. Here we are going to see the library methods of Java and also the string methods, right? So library methods are any methods that are inbuilt. Okay, they are the methods that are inbuilt, that are actually available in Java. When we install Java, it will automatically come. We need not define the methods, right? So the already defined methods or the predefined methods are called as library methods. And here we have listed some of the library methods, namely ABS, sine, cos, and the other things. Right. So ABS is the method which gives the absolute value of any value. For example, ABS of 1.7. For this, the result will be 1. Okay, so for the value 1.7, it takes the absolute value 1. So it will give us 1. For the value 2.2, it will give the absolute value 2. Right? Right, it will take only the whole number, it will give it. Okay, right. Then sine. Sine of any value will be given by the sine method, and cos of any value is given by cos method. Tangent of any value is given by the tangent method. Then square root. Square root gives the square root value. For example, square root of 9 gives us 3. Square root of 16 gives us 4. Right. Then min. Min is the minimum of any two values. Okay. Right. Then max is the maximum of the given values. Right. Then ceil and floor. Ceil is no for any value, it will take the maximum value. For example, when we give ceil of 1.7, it will give us 2. Ceil of 1.2, it will give us 1. Okay, so that is the ceil value. Then floor is the minimum value, right? Okay, so the floor is the minimum value. For example, floor of 1.4, we get 1, right? So that is the floor value. Then round is uh, rounding of any value. For example, for 2.5, it will give us 3. It will round the value. Okay, then 3.6, it will give the value 4. Then 10.2, it will give the value 10, because the decimal point is less than 5. So that is the round value. Then log. The logarithmic value of any value is given by log method. Right. Now it is strings. String, we know string is a sequence of characters. Right. So you have to know very well the difference between a character and a string. A character is a single character and a string is a sequence of characters. Whenever we define a character, we give it in a single quote. Whenever we define a string, we give it in a double quotes. Okay. For example, if we give x, we put x in a single quote. If we put hello, we'll put hello, HELLO in a double quotes. So this hello is called as a string. In Java, the string can be defined as array of characters. See here, char, then open and close square brackets, space ch equals hello world. Within braces, we give every character in a single quote and separated with a comma. Okay, so like this also a string can be defined, and the same string can also be defined as the third line, string s equals hello world. Both are the same. Okay, ch is also having hello world and s is also having hello world. When ch is when ch is talked, ch is a no, it is an array of characters, and yes is a string. That's it. And here in the upcoming slides, we are going to see the string methods, right? So in the later video, in another video, I'll put the execution of maximum of the string methods. You see that video also, right? Then I'll give the link of the video in description, right? So splits the string into 2, right? Then compares to string in the dictionary order, right? Then compare to ignore case. That means if the strings are in different case, for example, hello in small case, another string is having hello in capital case. If it compares it it will say both are equal because it ignores the case. Okay, right? So that's it. Then length gives the length of the string. Replace, it will replaces the matching characters or text in the string. Okay, it will replace characters. Then replace all means it replaces substrings. That means for example, hello, right? In hello, hell, we can say hell is a substring. So hell, the whole substring can be replaced by replace all, right? But replace will replace only characters. Okay, that's it. Then substring, it returns the substring of a given string. Then equals is, it equals two strings. It will return whether it is true or false. That's it. Then equals ignore case. Here also it compares the two string ignoring the test cases. Ignoring the cases, right? Then contains now whether the given substring is available in the string. It will check, right? Then index of, it returns the index of the given character. For example, the same string hello, we give the character o. So o is where in hello? It starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in fourth index o is, so it will return 4. That's it. So index of the given character, it will find out, it will return. And trim removes any leading or trailing white spaces. If you give any space before and after a string, that will be removed. Only the string will be no trimmed. That is called trimming. Then characterit. Caret is characterit. It will check, no, it will return a particular character's index in the string, right? Okay, so then to lowercase, it converts the string from any case to the lowercase, right? For example, hello, h is in capital. When we give the same in this method, it will convert everything in lowercase. So that's it. Then concat. Concat is concatenates two string. Concat method concatenates two strings. It just joins. Then value of. Value of is, no, it returns the string representation of the value. Then matches. It just matches with the given substring. Okay, that is regex. Then starts with checks if the string begins with the given string. It checks whether it starts with the given string. If it is that, it returns the if it will say whether it starts with a given substring. If it starts with that, it will return true or false. Then ends with the same thing. The substring will be checked with the given string. If the substring is there in the trailing edge, it will return true. If it is not, it will return false. Then is empty. Is empty checks whether the string is empty or not, right? Then get bytes. It encodes the string and return the sequence of bytes which matches the string. Then content equals. Content equals means checks whether the string is equal to the character sequence. Okay, for example, no, character sequence ch equals hello. That is a character sequence. A string is hello world in double quotes, right? So when ch and s are compared, it will return true, right? So then hash code. This method will return the hash code of a string. Then join the strings, joins the strings, right? So this is a small example for explaining the string methods. So here we compare, we equal two strings. String s1 is Rambo in capital, string s2 is Rambo in small. So first method is equals, s1 dot equals of s2. So there, no, s1 is compared with s2. What about both of the things? Even if the content are the same, the cases are different. Okay, so it returns false. See the output. Java is case sensitive, so it will consider small case r and capital case r in different, as different. Okay, so so small r is different and capital R is different for Java. So that Rambo is different from this Rambo. So it will return false. For the next execution of the next method, that is x equals ignore case, that means it ignores the case. So if the content are the same, it will return true because it is ignoring the case. Okay, and that is all about string methods and the library methods. I'll put, as I said earlier, I'll put the execution, a detailed execution program in another video, and I'll also give the link of the video in description. You see that also and be benefited. Thanks for watching.